Welcome to a tiny house that feels like a quiet retreat. Before we step through the door, I want to share a secret woven into the very layout, one design choice that makes this compact space feel boundless. I'll reveal it when we reach the heart of the home, so keep it in the back of your mind. Let's start from the outside, where every corner invites you to slow down. Today, I'm taking you inside a thoughtfully designed small home wrapped in the soothing ambience of a lush garden. Segment 1. Approaching the tiny house and garden. A soft gravel path lined with ferns and camellias leads to a timber-clad facade nestled among tall bamboo. The garden isn't just decoration. It wraps around two sides of the house, blurring the boundary before you even enter. A wooden bench on the front porch and a pot of rosemary set an unassuming, warm tone. You hear the gentle trickle of a stone water basin, deliberately placed to mask distant noise and calm the mind. This sensory entrance transforms a simple arrival into a quiet ritual, promising that what lies beyond will be just as restorative. Segment 2. Stepping inside. Entry and first impressions. A pale wooden door slides open, and immediately your eye travels through the narrow entryway, straight to a swath of green beyond. A built-in bench hides shoes, while a slim mirror and floating shelf keep the space functional without visual clutter. The ceiling feels a touch higher than expected, an architectural trick that releases any sense of confinement. A tall, slender window at the hall's end frames a fern like a living painting, reinforcing the connection to nature before you even step fully inside. A delicate Shosh-inspired screen near the door filters the light, casting soft shadows that shift throughout the day. The lime-wash walls hold a soft, tactile quality, making the entry feel like a gentle exhale. Segment 3. The heart, living room, and the big reveal. Now we enter the main living area, and this is the moment I promised. That secret design move. The entire back wall is a set of floor-to-ceiling glass panels that slide and stack away completely, vanishing into a hidden pocket. When fully opened, the living room and garden become one continuous space. What truly elevates the experience is the threshold itself. The warm oak flooring continues outside onto the deck with no step or visible break, so your eye never stops. On a mild day, suddenly this tiny home doubles, with the garden serving as an outdoor living room. It's an airy, calming sensation that feels almost magical. Furnishings stay intentional. A low linen sofa, floor cushions, and a lightweight wooden tray on poufs instead of a coffee table. Beside the sofa, a deep window seat lifts to reveal hidden blanket storage, a perfect nook for reading with the garden breeze drifting in. A small wood-burning stove in the corner casts a soft glow, its reflection dancing in the glass when the panels are closed. Every piece earns its place, leaving the view and the openness as the true focal points. Segment 4. Kitchen and dining. Compact charm. Tucked along one side of the open room, the kitchen is a lesson in compact grace. Full-height cabinets in a soft sage green conceal everyday essentials, while open shelving displays a curated handful of ceramic mugs and glass jars. The quartz countertop extends beyond the cabinetry to form a slim breakfast bar for no need for a separate dining table. Beneath the bar, discreet drawers store cutlery and linens. An induction cooktop and a small combination oven save space without sacrifice. The window above the sink looks directly into a tiny herb garden where mint, basil, and chives grow within arm's reach, making every meal preparation feel open and fresh. Segment 5. The loft bedroom, a cozy sanctuary. A slender, alternating tread staircase climbs to the sleeping loft, its open risers pulling in daylight while the steps cleverly conceal slim storage drawers. At the top, a low platform bed with soft, neutral linens faces a large, operable skylight positioned to catch the morning sun. The ceiling follows the roofline, creating a gentle peak overhead. Slim ledges flank the bed, just wide enough for a book and a tiny jade plant that echoes the garden below. The black metal railing remains almost invisible, preserving an airy connection to the living space beneath. It's a nest that feels both sheltered and open, where waking up means greeting the sky. Segment 6. The bathroom spa-like simplicity. Back downstairs, a sliding pocket door reveals a compact bathroom wrapped in the same soft lime wash as the living room. A wall-to-wall mirror above a floating vanity doubles the perception of depth, while a frosted window filters light through swaying bamboo. The shower keeps it simple with a single glass panel and miniature hexagonal tiles in a seafoam hue underfoot. A teak stool and a gentle rainhead turn every rinse into a mindful ritual. Hidden behind the mirror, a recessed cabinet and a compact washer-dryer combo keep daily necessities neatly out of sight, so the space stays serene. Segment 7. Returning to the garden. Evening ambience. As dusk settles, the garden transforms the home entirely. Warm string lights crisscross above the deck, casting a soft glow that turns the outdoor space into a magical nook. The stone water basin catches the shimmer, and the air fills with the song of crickets. With the glass panels slid shut, the garden remains visually present as a living painting of silhouetted leaves, reflecting the interior's gentle lamplight. In cooler months, the stove's warmth contrasts with the crisp air visible through the glass, making the space feel like a luxurious campsite. This seamless dance between indoors and out is what makes the tiny house feel not just cozy, but endlessly restorative. So that's the quiet magic of this tiny house, a garden that becomes a room that opens to the sky. And a design that feels expansive because every detail serves more than one purpose. I hope this tour gave you a few ideas to borrow. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more design stories. Keep your space cozy and your heart open to the garden just outside.